Hello, I am going to show the fill function within Ansys Discovery today. Please note that this will also work exactly the same for SpaceClaim, as it has a very similar menu. Our first example is on a 2D sheet. We have a punched hole, maybe for meshing purposes. We want to close this. So what we can do is, under the design button, we click fill, and now we're going to mark the curve, and then we're going to hit complete. So what it's going to do is it's going to close that hole for us. Another example with a 2D object is this time I'm going to select the two curves by holding the control button, and then when I hit the fill, it simply is going to connect that region and add it to the surface geometry. So it may work this as well. Let's move on to some three-dimensional applications of fill. So first I'm going to select this surface. I'm going to pull it, select cut, and then I'm going to essentially carve this piece out of the solid block. So if I go back to our fill function, if I were to now, if I wanted to move this back to a prism, I can select these two faces, and when I hit fill, it's going to fill up the volume. And finally, I'd also like to show if you have some rounds, blends that you do not need in your model, you can go click those surfaces, click fill, and again this is going to fill in the volume and get rid of the round. This can also be done actually. If you go back, you can click the surface and hit delete. So fill, in a sense, sometimes works as delete. So this concludes our brief presentation today. Thank you.